Shalom, Jake. Shalom. Check this video out. This is like this man is a paraplegic. It's like an early version of what's going to happen with the MOTB. So these other caps, they're gonna have some explaining to do. We're gonna go and let this play because this is coming. All right. Remember, this man is a paraplegic. It's so bad with him, he can't even talk. But he has a C-hip in his head through Synchron, and he's using Apple Vision. Now, look at all the commands he can do. Now, remember, he can't talk, walk, move, do anything. This is all the information being translated from his mind by AI. Under the 1976 Copyright Act, I'm not profiting. This is just for educational purposes. Okay? Just educational use. Under the 1976 Copyright Act. They're going to show you everything he's seeing in his head. Remember, he can't talk or anything. They're going to show you exactly what he's seeing. This all through thoughts. I'm going to turn it down because of the music, because they just made me take a whole video down I did because of this music in the background. So I just turned it down on purpose. Because they could play the music, but we can't though. As soon as you filter through the scriptures, become an issue. But look, this is all through his mind. He turning the fan on. He got to feed his dog. They probably had some type of shower as though he can take a shower. They're going to put a robot in his home. He's going to be able to talk to that robot through his thoughts. That robot going to probably help him clean up. See, this is where all this is headed at. You see? Look, he used his thoughts. He feeding his dog. I mean, this is where we at now. He turned the vacuum on through his thoughts for it to clean the foot floor for 30 minutes. In the video they made me take down to show how these phones can read your thoughts too. But yeah, say Rodney is proving what is possible with AI and BCI. Shalom, Jake.